guys, welcome to my EDC update. I'm sure y'all recognize this. It's the Maxpedition Kodiak from their Gear Slinger series. It is one of their hard use backpacks, and it's 1100 cubic inches. Now, this is one of their larger Gear Slinger. Matter of fact, I think this is the largest Gear Slinger they offer. And just to show you how the size is a little bit misleading, 1100 cubic inches, this is my hand. Okay, I'm a normal size guy, I'm 6'1", and this is my hand. So it's a whole lot smaller than you think. I'm glad I ordered this instead of the Sitka, because the Sitka would have just not have been big enough to do the job. However, let me tell you, when you buy one of these, when you upgrade from, say, the Jumbo or the Fat Boy, you are going to fill this bag up. You're going to put more stuff in there. This thing weighs about 35, 40 pounds, I imagine. And it's not as comfortable as I thought it was going to be because of all the extra weight that is in it. But, you know, I had that extra room and I decided to fill it. So I guess I'll carry the weight until I whittle it down, and that's what I am doing. I'm whittling it down a little bit at a time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move on with this update because we just don't have a lot of time. Alright, let's start here. Okay, logbook. One of those little change bags. Matches. This is the remote control to the video camera that's in my bag. ID wallet from CountyCom. Business card. Earbuds for iPhone. Extra plastic bag. And I guess while I'm here, I'll put the iPhone down. You guys already know enough about those. Jungle hat, you know, keeps off the rain, keeps the bugs out of your hair, etc., etc. Eyeglasses, just turned 50, gotta have them for reading anyway. This is just a little bag I carry for keep my phone chargers in for my cameras and my iPhone. An extra net bag in case I need to carry something externally. The Germex, never without it. Never without it, bros. More bags. Some more clear plastic bags. You never know when you need them. Lighter. I'm a survivalist, not a caveman. Chapstick. Good for your lips. Good for your tent. Fire starter. Breath mints. Paracord. Never have enough paracord. LED light. This is a clip-on model with a slide switch. And blaze orange. What else we got here? Just some assorted plastic bags of doodads. Knife sharpener from CountyCom, and some extra paracord, some sinew, one of those aircraft cable, more paracord, some zip ties, blah blah blah. pens, pencils. More stuff. Little knife stone, sharpening stone, tweezers, another little pocket knife, matches, paper clips, safety pin, P38s. I like to carry these around and just give them away to my friends. I just carry a little bag of P38s. I ordered a whole bunch of them. I think I got like 50 of them for $5 off of eBay. This is Simmons 10x25 Binocs. These have been sturdy. They've lasted me many years so far. 10x25s. And they fit right into these side pockets on the gear slinger. Combat shears. I have used these a lot. They've already paid for themselves. Deck of cards. Magnifying glass. You never can tell when you're going to need that. And this is an extra battery for my new camera. The camera I'm shooting on now is a Panasonic Lumix DMC TS1. It's the HD Light 12 pixel model. It's waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, freeze-proof, drop-proof. I mean, it's a great little camera. The only thing is, it seems to have a slow transition rate, and I suppose that's the 30 to 60 frames a second. During motion, it tends to jerk. Doesn't feel like the picture's clear to me, especially when I'm doing it fast. But anyways, it's a very cool little camera. It's small, fits right into your pocket, and it's got a pretty good picture on it. Really good definition, and I like it so far. Okay, let's get into this front pocket here. Now, right here, this is the Fox 5.3. This will, knock a bear down. You spray somebody with that, and they will have no further interest in doing whatever they were doing to you. All they will have interest in is, why does it feel like somebody's blowtorching their face? Blast match. You guys know what that is. Coleman light. Now this is a pretty cool light. It's got it's white, shoots white, and it'll go red and blue, and it's 130 lumens. But I would like to upgrade to one of those Phoenix, what are they, LD20s? And if anybody's interested, you got an LD20 with a wand, or new one or fairly new one, and you'd like to trade it for a discount coupon at Benchmade Knives, say maybe 50% off, give me a holler. 50% off of any purchase, any knife purchase.